These are two fascinating new features from Google AI that Google has implemented in Gemini AI. Unfortunately, one of them has a major flaw, but if you can get past that, it's worth trying out. The other new feature is awesome, and I believe you will use it every day because it's so great. This is Tomasz Czernovsky from Tomasz AI channel. Our marketing agency has generated over $50 million in revenue for clients over the past 11 years, and AI now helps us achieve even better marketing results. My challenge for you is simple. Watch these videos for 120 days, take notes and test everything. By the end of 2025, you will use AI better than 99% of people and businesses, and that's my mission, guys. So, I guess that you already know about the tool called Google Opal, which is under the Google Labs, and it's an experiment, still an experiment. If you are loading this app and you want to try it, and you are, for example, in the Europe or somewhere else, you might not get the option or you might not get the chance to try it because in some regions it is not accessible. But right now, since I am still connecting from Europe, from Prague, from Czech Republic, the heart of the Europe, I am using VPN and I'm connected to USA, so I can actually use it and I can use this tool. But that's the first thing. Second one, you need it, in order to actually use this tool, you need to be actually on this domain, opal.google, and then landing and then try Opal. So it was slightly complicated, right? But what Google did is that on December 17th, it introduced that the Opal is actually right now in the Gemini app. But there's another catch. For example, here in my, and there you go, here in my Workspace Pro Gemini account, the main one, if I go here and still I'm in on the VPN, so I should have access to this tool. But if I click on the gems where you should actually use it, where you should actually find it, there are no options, or there is no option to actually use some automations or agent work from Google Opal, which is weird because I'm on a pro account. So maybe there are some, there needs to be some setting changed in the Workspace account. I don't know, I'm not sure. If you had this experience and you know how to solve it, if it's solvable, definitely leave a comment under this video. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you very much. But if I go to my my secondary Google Gemini account, which is on my personal Gmail with the pro account, then once you go in the gems, voila, stay updated. There you go. Build AI apps, a new kind of gem from Google Apps. Create and share AI mini apps and custom workflows with Google Apps. Try a pre-made gem to start or remix to make it your own. So there you go. Recipe Jenny, Marketing Maven, Claymation Explainer, Learning with YouTube, Blog Post Writer, Book Recs, Recommendations for Books, Business Profiler, City Builder, Create a Playlist, Fashion Stylist, Google Calendar Link, Interior Designer, Personal Podcaster, Product Marketing, Product Research, Social Media Post, Sticker Generator, Video Marketer. So, quite a decent amount of gems made by labs. And you can also create your own gem if you click here. So that's a wonderful option that if you are using, or if you would like to, automate some of your work and you want to be, really using AI, really using the best thing, the best updates in the AI era and AI world, you should definitely try Opal here in the Gemini. For example, if I click on social media post, there you go. You can see that the original prompt was an app that takes a business name or website and creates a first draft of a social media post, including a catchy caption and an image. So there you go. The steps are gather website URL, what's the post for, starting image, generating the business summary, create a caption, generating expressive text, make new image, display. So there you go. You can start it here if you click on the start, and you can test it, or in the upper right corner, you can basically click on open advanced editor and you can go there or remix that. So this is the first one. And before we dive into the second one, definitely don't forget, guys, and I would highly appreciate it because I'm literally building one of the biggest AI channels out there. I would highly appreciate if you can like this video, if you can smash the subscribe button with the bell icon. It would mean the world to me because without these interactions from you guys, I can't and I won't be able to build this the one of the biggest AI channels out there. So I need it from you guys. I need your support. Without that, basically, the growth will not grow. Actually, the channel won't grow without that. So please, if you can do it, if you can help this channel, I would highly appreciate. And I am really, really happy to have you on board supporting this channel. Thank you very much. Back to the Gemini. So this is the first one. The second one you can actually use even if you are connecting from Europe, for example, without the VPN, and it's not something like super technical, feature that you haven't heard about. This tool is called. There's actually one catch. Sorry about that. If I'm in my workspace account in the Google Workspace account with the Pro, which is the paid one, and I go to the new chat and I click on the plus, which is here for the add files, I just see upload files, add from drive, and import code. So I have three options here. But if I go to the personal one, which is again on a Pro tier level of subscription, and I click on the add files plus icon, then I have upload files, add from drive, photos, import code, and NotebookLM, which is the second feature that I would like to discuss and introduce it to you in this video. If you click on it, you will be shown with your recent notebooks in your NotebookLM. So basically the sources that you put there in your NotebookLM. So you can basically create from it your podcast or video overview or quiz or whatever you would like to be created, or some deck, whatever. And since this is my secondary account, there's not much sources in the NotebookLM. But if I click, for example, on the Seedream 4.0, which was created on September 17th, 2025, and add it, you can see that it acts like the Seedream source, what was created in NotebookLM, is actually attached to this message. And then you can ask Gemini 3. So for example, give me top 5 tips from this source about why is Seedream 4.0 so good. So there you go, it's analyzing. Based on the source provided, here are the top 5 reasons why Seedream 4.0 is considered a game-changing AI model. So there you go, superior benchmark performance, industry-leading image editing, exceptional text rendering, professional-grade quality and realism, massive business efficiency. And since you are right now in the Google Gemini, you can actually listen to it, export it to docs, draft an email or draft in Gmail, report legal issues. You can copy that, you can redo it, or good response or bad response, files in this chat, whatever. So you can do couple of things here, and you can, for example, do please double check these on the intranet. Since obviously this is an old, sorry, there's a typo. Independent verification confirms that Seedream 4.0, also known as Seedream V4, is a legitimate and highly advanced AI model released by ByteDance in September 2025. It has indeed secured top rankings on major industry leaderboards, outperforming notable competitors like Google and OpenAI in specific visual tasks. Following double checks the key claims from your source. So there we go. It's verified as the #1 on the artificial ELO performance. It achieved ELO rating of 1222 in text-to-image, surpassing Imagen-4 and GPT-4o. There you go. So it actually double-checked and give me some another source. So it's a YouTube video, so I can check this one, and it's a Seedream V30 review, which is not what I wanted. I would like to have Seedream 4.0 review. But, anyway, that's AI. You need to double check these things, obviously. But what's the point here of connecting NotebookLM to your Gemini? Obviously, the point is that you can actually work with these things. So, the summaries, the top 5 things, the whatever you would like to create from your source in NotebookLM is something that you can actually work with that. It can be something that you can use in your business. You can create some spreadsheet here. You can send some email through Gmail. You can create some more tasks from it. Imagine that you have like your assistant in a real world, and he or she did some research on some topic, which you basically asked him or her to do. She did it, she or he did it, and it provided you with these, resources and, all these things, and etc., etc. And then you basically said, hey, the learnings that you got from the research or the sources, etc., etc., how can we possibly, put it and, use it in our business, for example? Give me, 3 real-time examples or 3 use cases that we can actually use it and maybe test it in the etc., etc. So this is something that you can actually do with Google Gemini. Obviously, it can't test it yet. It's not connected to your business yet, obviously, but it can give you the use cases. It can give you the examples. It can give you the guidance through it. And then you can basically pass it on a real human being or some other AI assistant or whatever. So I believe that this is something really important. And also, I really believe the one thing that I mentioned I'm mentioning it regularly in these videos, but I believe a few weeks ago I mentioned that I believe that Google is on the best possible way to be the #1 player in the AI world, in the AI era in 2026. Because if you can imagine all these tools, Google Opal, Nano Banana Pro, VO 3.1, and all these tools will be getting better every single week and month. New versions will be released, etc., etc. And if you imagine, they are really trying tens or hundreds different tools in Google Labs with the experiments, etc., etc. And imagine if they will basically pick the best ones that people actually use because it solves some problem, etc., etc. And they will connect it to the Gemini. And you will actually have, as a user, one place from where you can use all these different tools, which is something that people want. People don't want to have like 127 different apps on, different things and different types of stuff, etc., etc. You need to be, these things easy as possible, right? So in the perfect world, you will just have one app. Through that one app, you will control everything basically, which is obviously super hard, to create this such a great app, with these all connectors, etc., plugins, extensions, etc., etc. So I don't think this will be near future, but maybe in the far in the window, maybe in single-digit years, maybe. But before that, I can really imagine that you can have, for example, the Google Gemini, and then you can have like stack of 5-10 different tools for example, marketing or business, etc., etc. And you can basically connect it and control it through your Gemini AI hub. So I believe that if this will happen, and if this is the future that what people actually want, I really think that Google is on its way to be the #1 AI company, let's say AI tools company that we will be using, everybody will be using in the couple of years. So I'm betting on Google because I really think that they have the resources, they have the capacity, they have the brains, they have the talent, they have the money, they have the drive. They gather such amount of data during this 2025. They gather all these informations. They are testing quite a lot. They are bringing AI LLMs and different AI tools, for users, and tested guys, and give us some feedback, etc., etc. So I really think that they are onto something. I don't know what do you think about it? Just leave me a comment. What's your POV on this one? But I really think that this is, the AI star in the making, actually. Anyways, I really need you to support this channel, guys, because it won't happen, overnight, one of the biggest AI channels out there. So I need you to like this video, subscribe, and also click on the bell icon. Thank you very much. It means the world to me, and I really, really appreciate your help and your support on this journey. I really think that this is something that you really appreciate, because it's 99th video in a row. So tomorrow it will be 100th video in a row where I am publishing daily about AI news, AI tips, tricks, guides, AI automations, AI workflows, AI everything. So I really know, and I really think that you really appreciate these types of videos, because these are really helpful. So anyway, just give this like, obviously subscribe and to this channel with the bell icon. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to check this video out. It's yesterday's video. It's a really good one. So go there and check it out. And I will see you guys tomorrow with the next one. Really appreciate it. Thank you.